Hello, my name is Kori Miyamoto. I'm 18 and I'm studying film at Tisch. My home is back in the Bay Area. I'm from San Francisco and Oakland. I love photography, dancing, and traveling. My mom's Japanese and a lot of her family lives down in LA. So we'd often go down and visit for holidays and breaks.
Oh, so can you speak Japanese?
No, unfortunately, but I did go to a bilingual immersion Montessori. So I knew Japanese at one point, I just kind of forgot.
But you don't speak anymore? What a failure.
I did play for a Japanese basketball league.
But I've been to Japan.
Your parents
I go to
so
Obons.
disappointed.
I eat Japanese food. I
Wow.
cook Japanese food.
I guess you're not
Ramen,
even really
udon,
Japanese. Wow, you must be really
I
whitewashed.
even watch anime. I'm Japanese, I promise. My family's Japanese. They were interned during World War II.
It was the morning of 1941.
41 December. We're on the Dominguez Hill on a farm raising flowers.
When the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor.
Family did not know what was going to happen to the Japanese families living in California, especially.
My grandfather and his siblings were just kids when FDR signed Executive Order 9066 that authorized the evacuation of all people of Japanese descent.
We knew that some among them were potentially dangerous. Authorities therefore determined that all of them, citizens and aliens alike, would have to move.
With no evidence of any possible spies, the American government gave them 14 days to the train station.
By July,
So you had to
mid-July,
get rid of your stuff, get rid of
you
your
got to get rid of
car.
everything. So the car we left at the station because we drove to the station, that's it. So the family lost everything. So only what they could carry, that's what they say. Bring all that you can carry, that's it.
After being taken from their homes and businesses, they were thrown into camps with thousands of other Japanese Americans.
We have one room that's about 20 by 40. Okay, there's about 8 of us. Tried to sleep there. But the rest of the time, the brothers all scatter and stay with their own age group. And they do their own thing, the sports and everything. Still.
I can't imagine that experience. My childhood felt so carefree. And yet now I'm told that I'm not Japanese enough, imprisoned by those thoughts, just as my family was physically imprisoned for their identity as Japanese Americans. Does being Japanese mean constantly having to conform to other people's expectations?
The residents of the new community set about developing a way of life as nearly normal as possible. They held church services. They issued their own newspaper, organized nursery schools, and some made camouflage nets for the United States Army.
No, my family did not yield so easily. When they were asked about their loyalty to the United States,
Number 27 and 28, are you willing to serve in the military? Are you willing to give up your loyalty to the Emperor of Japan?
they looked back at their treatment during Japanese internment.
But why should I go fight when my people, my brothers, citizens are in camp? What am I fighting for? With this present condition, what should they do? That was a big question. You gotta say yes or no. So we answered no.
My family was confident in their identity, but today other people say I'm not Japanese because I don't speak the language, erasing the struggle my family went through to get me here. I am fourth generation Japanese American.